Today I'm going to show you how to make very simple, sexy, seductive eye makeup. It's good to use for dates or when you want to, get laid. The first thing you do is that you curl the eyelashes so they look nice. Everybody knows, it's very common knowledge, that red is the sexiest color of all the colors. So I have here red. This is actually made for using on the lips, but I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. So I'm just going to do this and draw. And I'm drawing the line under the eye and the line above the eye at the same time. See? Because it's good for that. I don't know why they don't make these in eyeliner form. So do the same here. Look, and you just fix it a little bit where it goes out, and then it's a pretty good idea to use a pencil, and then you sort of draw it out, it sort of fades under the eye and above the eye. And you get this sort of like maybe it's a black eye or infection. Like, I don't know, I can't really tell. And then you do the eyebrows. And when you're doing a seductive eye makeup, it is very important to make the eyebrows thick. A lot thicker than you usually would. Just because this draws attention to the eye area and makes the seductive eye makeup that you've put a lot of work into more noticeable. Just do eyebrow. Just fill those in. Okay. And to make it even more noticeable, you would want to take a little extra makeup foundation and put over your lips, just to try and make it look like you don't really have lips, so they don't take the attention. Because if you were to put some nice lipstick on, people would all just notice the lips and be like, oh, see, there's nice lips, and no one would notice your eye makeup that you spent so much time on. Look, and then you just add a little mascara for the final touches. And voila! Seductive